What's up everyone, this is Ujjwal Srivastava and welcome back to another video. In this video I will talk about the book It by Stephen King. And so this book is an hardcover edition. Originally it is a BCA, that is Book Club Association edition, but I have made this 25-year special cover on my own using a calendar and some other stuff. So like I did it before I wrote this book, and now after reading this book I definitely want to buy the better edition, but still this one is a special book. So now talking about the book, apart from the review thing, it has approximately 4,44,000 words, and Stephen King wrote this book in a span of 4 years because he began writing in 1981 and finished in 1985. That is like 4 years. He took 4 years to write this book, and it is worth it. Like, it is worth the time Stephen King invested in this book. So talking about the main thing, the review. So it is about a monster that is called It, and it is haunting the city of Derry. It is a fictional town, and it is haunting the city of Derry. It feeds on Derry. It feeds on people of Derry, especially children's. So like the monster, it can do shapes shifting and kind of stuff. And so it is not basically just Pennywise the clown that we see in the movie adaptation, but it has various forms and versions. Basically it is, you will see it in the form of your fear. So it is your fear, and if you are not afraid of it, you can beat it. So 7 children from the city of Delhi come across and form a group called Losers Club, and so they come together and beat it once. Now, not giving spoilers, it is mentioned in the earlier parts of the book, so this is not a spoiler kind of thing. So like the monster, it appears after every 27 years, and even though the Losers Club beat it in 1958, they have to appear once again because they made a promise that if it will start once again, they will come back. And so they have come back in 1985, and so this is the journey of how they'll tackle it once again. Will they beat it? Will they kill it? It depends on how fast you're gonna read this book and discover the truth. So it took me around 20 days to finish this book, although it was pretty much fast in the second half. It was very well paced, but like I didn't have that much attention, or my ability to focus was not that good. That's why it took so much time, but the book was worth every single minute. Like, the ending part was so satisfying, and there was a little Stephen King twist that I don't want to spoil, but it was really good. Talking about the rating of the book, it is as great as Stand was. I'm not comparing those two books because they are very different from one another, but when I will rank them, Stand and It would lie in the same section. Like, those two books are my number one Stephen King books. And so what was great about it? Stephen King has captured childhood, friendship, and different emotions very smoothly. Like, it had a journey of 6 to 7 people, and how they lived it through that memory, how your friendship affects when you leave the city or the town you are living in, and how things get good when you all are together. Like, and but
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
it was a really special book, and the ending was so satisfying, and I would recommend it very much. Like, don't think about the length, and the movie is nowhere close to this book. Like, it is the greatest book that I read in a while, and so the movie was just in between okay and good. So it was not great at all, but it wasn't that bad too. But the book is something that you should read before watching the It movie. So this is something really great. You should definitely read it, and you will float too. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, and I don't know how to speak. Thank you.
ठीक है भाई, मैं चलता हूँ. ओके ओके बाय. ओके.
What's good, everyone? This is Ujjwal Srivastava. What's good, everyone? This is Ujjwal.